Hey guys, and I'm just gonna apologize because Slime Rancher Part 2, the recording didn't work. So we're just gonna say that I did a lot of stuff off the camera. So let me just recap you. We got more Hunter Slimes. I think we got a slime key. We popped a Gordo. And I don't really remember a lot else. We made some money. Anyways, let's continue our game. I'm not sure what else I did, so guess you're just gonna have to find out too. The game will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game we want. Three. Our slimes are very hungry. We ain't doing that. We have hungry slimes to feed. So let's just go over to wherever there's chickens, get some. Yeah, we did get a slime key. So I was thinking of going to the ancient ruins. Did they just eat all that? Yeah, they did. Okay. We have more chickens. Here's a roastro and another chicken. 2, 3. My 1. Gotta get rid of you. Alright, where are the chickens? Where are the chickens at? These poor individuals who don't have mamas. Don't have llama mamas. Alright, now if I get up here, I can just get some chickens from Hungry Slimes. I gotta get a boost. There. That should be enough to feed our llama mama. If we get far enough away, look, like it just disappears. Help. I'm thinking of opening up the ancient ruins before I open up the indigo quarry, just because I like the ancient ruins a lot. Pretty sure I need some things from the indigo quarry though to go in. So we're gonna have to pop some Gordos. Same old, but there is some people we forgot to feed. Here is some. Now we're gonna save 3 for these dudes. And there is. 1 second, is there? No, I don't have a food dispenser for you guys. Okay. Ooh, we let the flirts build up over here. I'm thinking of getting rid of 1 Gordo. We're gonna get rid of 1. Just because I feel like we can't manage 4 of these. Where's the grumpy one? None of you are sad. Okay, that's good. More profit for me. Alright, let's go. We made a decent amount of money, which means we can buy a storage tank upgrade for ourselves, which should be pretty nice. Let's go. Studios. We would like a power core. What else can we buy? Dash boots, yes. And that's what we need. Because dash boots make it so you can sprint more efficiently. And we are going to open up the indigo quarry with some adorable little slime babies. And we're just gonna collect some carrots. because we know the Indigo Quarry is the main place to get vegetables in this game, which means we're gonna want to pop vegetable Gordos. I'm genius, thank you very much. Okay. We all know there's some veggies in here. Any veggies? Ooh, 2. Not too sad about that. All right, 6. Not a whole lot, but it's enough, I guess. So, and we're in. There's some vicious guys out there, but we are here. Boop. We're here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We already have the backpack upgrade, so we can go a lot of places. So we can just quickly steal all the veggies from this beautiful, beautiful place in nature. Maybe we can just go around and collect everything. This is actually pretty fun. Alright, here's one Gordo, but he gives you a teleporter. That isn't what we're interested in, so we're just gonna... Yay! We've officially gotten here. 4. We have 15 veggies so far. It's good, but we could do better. Therefore, that's why we keep exploring. And we're gonna... I know there's some carrots up ahead. Or right here. Yeah, that's good too. Lots of carrots right here. Cloudy ornament 4. It's really cool, but I don't really take ornaments home because they just clog up inventories. 0. No, those be mine. No. They just keep eating. Just. We are going to feed the rat slime, which we have not quite gotten yet. Let me just... Yeah, we're gonna stay up here. Now you see, that is a rat slime. Pretty adorable. Rad slimes are unique, definitely. Okas are Rad Slime's favorite, so we gotta collect some of them. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9. We've only been getting them in groups of 3. We need more. Sounds weird when you're asking for vegetables in a video game, but oddly enough, it's true. We have some odd onions here that I just collected. Now we had some veggies right here that have an odd onion. And I think that's enough for now. Definitely not enough, but it's enough for now. So we are gonna want number 1. And here is our adorable slime cave. It popped! It's popping! Okay. Now, rat slimes are pretty adorable, so I think we are going to take some home. Just 3. Well, you know what? We're taking 1. And we're gonna fuse you with something, so... Oh no! Oh no! I thought I had enough to make it. Oh, sorry. I did not mean to do that. Oh, you're all so vicious. I do want to buy this. We're purchasing the overgrowth. Thank you kindly. We want an air drive. We should have some plorts that have been collected. No? Oh yeah, I guess I didn't make them with any food. Well, let's go get food and we'll get lots of plorts. Mint mangoes, pogo fruits, and oka okas. Yeah, we can do that, sure. We just need chickens first. My slimes can't feed themselves. But seriously, all of the slimes eat chickens. I think most slimes eat chickens. Like all of the chickens, so. Here we are, left with nothing, because these greedy little jerkwads. No, don't you dare think about it. We haven't discovered rock slimes yet? I found something. Wish that I could. Alright, and we're as good as it gets, I think. We're golden. We are golden, so let me just go feed my babies and maybe make a... Nah, it's too early for that. We save like 2 maybe. Yeah. Ooh, we got an elder hen. I feel like it'd be funny if one like kind of slime favored elder chickens. I think that'd be pretty funny. So let's just shoot. No. Now we can have wood. And now we can just go over here. Collect up all of our earnings. Now we're just gonna use you for the pleasure. Now vac you guys up. Now we get our money's worth back. Money, 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 money. Now first we got to buy a goop. 1, boop, and I guess we can just drop one of you off in there. Pogo fruit, oka okas, mint mangoes. We gotta go to both places. Oh well. So we did Papa Gordo. We're just gonna go quickly get some oka okas. Be fast, coming back. We also need to get mint mangoes. Pogo fruit should be fairly simple. I mean, don't know the amount, so I'm just gonna collect as much as possible. And if I have any left, my honey slime babies will eat them. I'm sorry I'm taking your food, little babies, but I need it. Let's go get some oka okas. Oh, 1. We can just feed you. Get rich or die sliming. We're gonna get like $400 for this. That's crazy. It's hinting that I should. I think we only needed 3 oka okas, so we're gonna. Oh my god! Oh my god! The elusive gold slime. This plort is so shiny. Here, we can take a better look at this in here. Not in the grass. That's what it looks like. It's eating. All right. let's continue on. We can't just... We gotta go sell this and get like $800. Because dollar bills. Okay. We are here and we just gotta get some mint mangoes and then we should be set to talk to this Ogden guy. I know what he gives access to, but I'm not gonna spoil it. Ow, ow, don't kill me. I have something really good. They always kill you when you have something you want. Sad, but that's just how games work. The games. Okay, we've been here for exactly a week. We've already died. Life goes on. Let's see how much are gold floors. 374. Oh yeah! That's crazy. We only need 60. Alright, so let's just give you will partake in that. Give you your Oka Oka, and then we gotta go get some mint mangoes, which should be okay. I don't know why it wouldn't be okay, but it's okay. So, okay. In the comments, tell me if you guys want to see any other. Oh my god. Today's just gold slime hour, huh? Two gold slimes just out at the same time. I'm just gonna keep some food on me just in case. We've all seen my tabby incidents. I mean, my lucky slime incidents. Those are just sad because you know you could get them if you just had a hen on you. That's the way the ball bounces, though. We're gonna be back in $1,000, baby. I can't believe two spawned in at the same time, though. That's just crazy. Down by the bay, where the watermelon rots. Down the rabbit hole we go. So we know how to get mangoes. This should be fairly quick. Oh, there's a power core too, which we should be able to afford with our gold plorts. Alright. Mint mangoes are here. We need 3. Why? Will there be enough time to wait? What if there's not enough time to wait? What if you can't wait? You have to get them now. What if I missed out? That would be awful. Come on, I just need some mint mangoes. It's not too much to ask, I don't think. Mints. Oh my god. I've been saved. Okay, and I can just... They grew fairly quick. Drop off some mango. Alright, let's head home and trade these in. Give these to Ogden. And yeah. We are going to want to collect all the... Let's quickly... Oh god, there's a tar. We all knew it would happen at some point, though. story of my life is sad. Okay. And we can get you guys. Should be enough. Now let's just pop in here. Ooh, chickens! 2 mangoes. Now let's just take. Well, first we gotta trade in these. We're random floats. We're gonna add a second. 1 second, I gotta line this up. Alright. We're gonna line you guys up. So, we can add another male roastro. That, and then we're gonna. You know what? We want some briar hens. Make babies now, please. Yeah. Let's upgrade this so they make more babies. Alright, we just made the ideal chicken coop. And yeah. Now I can show you guys why we bought that. But first, I think we need to collect some chickens. That's all we can get right now. There's one thing I'd like to buy. And then I'm just going to collect some more plots quickly. Alright, I'm going to collect some plorts quickly before I go to this new place that I never knew about. Alright, we have 10 of you. Oh, you guys are almost out of food. We're going to add. There. A new plort. Hint, 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 hint. Hint, we can't take these guys home. Hint, hint, hint. Pretend I never said that. Hint, hint, hint. Alright. We've got our honey plorts, and now it is time to go to the new place that I never ever knew about, and that is definitely not somewhere you need to know about. Whoa! Hey, Leetrix, thanks for coming down to my retreat. So I know how this works, so. I'm trying to feed you. Alexis. One. Now if I can do this quickly, move over here. If you can't tell, I'm trying very hard to be good at this, but I'm just not, sadly. I'm thinking of making some saber babies. I feel like they look cool, okay? I forgot I need to find an exit to this place, huh? Well, that's fun. Let's just collect the chickens we see and everything will be fine. So there's something here. Maybe any Kookadoobas. Hooray. Things aren't going too well over here, it looks like. Oh, I'm gonna be on my way. On my way. Now you can always heal up in these tunnels right here. Tip, tip, tip. So we got 9. That's a successful first outing. The wilds aren't quite the safest place for me yet, but I made my way. And every 3 we get these funky things called spicy tofu. And we're just going to leave our extra hens here. That way we can always restock. So we're going to sell all of them but 1. How are you guys doing? Eating anything? Now, I'm thinking of doing something crazy to you guys. No, I can't do it to you. I'm sorry. We're going to do number 1 and then number 4. 1 and then 4. Now, we need to make a silo. 400. Because we need to store up our spicy tofu for when something comes along. Make a coral with high walls. We don't have enough. 7 and 1 honey? Psh, that's simple. You came to the right place because we be selling. Watch. We just want something to mix with a saber. 3, 4. Whoa, so many phosphors. I'm gonna say she wanted 8. Let's get these. Just not to mention, they say they want intention. So I think we are going to want a tabby. Little kitten, I shall get you food. Give me your poop. Give me the money. I made it. Okay. And we did it. We are home. And did she want to eat? No, she wanted 7, so we have 1 to sell. I should have taken the tabby. Take this. We've already seen a rock one, but we haven't seen a tabby, and I think it'd look cute. So, here we are. Again. Yeah, long time no see. Where's the cat? Long time no see. Okay, come with me. Now, all of my slimes, or almost all of them, rely on me. We need to change that. We are going to make a little tabby. Come on. Cash money. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's adorable. It's just completely precious. One of you. We get food, which we don't really need, but we can put in storage till we do. It's like a food storage. So we're just gonna collect food and put it in here. Now, stony hens we can give to. Yes. Just in case. 3 of you. Let's just suck up everything and then organize. They've produced 3 things. Not that bad. Okay, now we need to collect our earnings. Alright. I'm not too sad about our profits. Alright, now we need to collect one of your little plorts. Yes, you. Hey, you. Look at me when I speak to you. Okay, so we need to collect some plorts for personal use. Just gonna get that. We need a tabby plort. No, we don't need pink. Rock, tabby, you know. Tabby, boom, rad. We're gonna need a rad plort. Rock, 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 rock. I'm disappointed in you. You, the one who made that. Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had their shit? Oh, wasn't me. Well, it was one of yours. It was one of yours. Get out of here. Okay. We don't really need you. If you didn't have to ruin everything. I'm just disappointed in everyone here. Anything? No. How are you still alive, but the rock guy isn't? Well, repopulate this place. You! Yes, you! You! Eat! Get away from his poop. We're gonna get a red plort and blue plort for here. So let's begin. slime. I can get you. Ooh. Get away from his poop! Another one. Rad slime, which eats none other than why we would ever go to this place. Veggies. Yeah. I just went out the same exit twice. That was the wrong thing to do. Now I need rad slime to eat this Oka Oka. Then I know this is a weird path, but we have to go to the other place. What's it called? Glory, eternal glory to the rads. You're so rad. Get away. Get away. Eat, please. Because I did that, you guys have to repay me in poop, so. I almost fell. So I have all the ones from here. Come on, we gotta get to the next spot. I have places to be. Take a look at this little handy thing. If you press F, it's a flashlight. You'll be able to notice more while we're in the dark. Look. That looks so cool. Now you're going to see why I went through all this trouble to do this. From Bob. Bob, I got a letter from Bob. So now I can show you guys this exciting place, which I will tell you about in a second. This part's very familiar, right? Yeah. So, we are gonna go here. Music change, I love it. Now you see why I gotta do something. I gotta shoot things into their mouths. Gross, but also kind of cool. So hear that? It's the harmony. I did Tabby, didn't I? So we gotta go get Honey and Tabby, which should be pretty easy. There's one. Okay. Ugh, I'm getting tired. Alright, I have $10,000 exactly. Not bad. Like, not exactly, but I have 10,000 on the dot. To go hear the slimes sing again. They're singing for their god, I think. So we are here. Yes! We are now in the ruins! Now I'm gonna need to find out where that Boom Gordo is. No spoilers. This place is basically just one giant trap. They want to murder you here. It's not very subtle. That's okay though, because we're here. But this place always confuses me. Here are the quantum slimes. So we just gotta find little chicken places. That's how we do this. weird that a Boom Gordo is here but not the other place? Alright, we're just gonna collect a few chickens. How dare you? I think the character is gonna head home now. I need to go through here. Okay. So I have some chickens for next time, and yeah, that's all I did there. Sorry about your luck. I'm starving, but what the sacrifice you gotta make. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I shall Thank you for watching, and I shall see you guys later.